this video. In today's video, we'll be talking about what exactly are filters. Filters are functions that filters item in an iterable based on a particular condition. We're going to make use of lambda function this way. So remember what I said, it filters items in an iterable. It has to be an iterable based on a particular condition. First of all, to create iterable, let's call it obj, and then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, this can be, when I said iterable, can be a list, can be tuple, it can be string, once it can be iterated and you can make use of. But I'll just use this for example. Let's create a variable, assign the lambda function on it, and give it an argument. I've talked about what argument when I talked about my lambda tutorial. So I'm going to make an expression. Remember, it filters items in an iterable based on a particular condition. So let's give it a condition. Let's say x. Let's say, yeah, this is a reminder. S reminder 2. If it's not equal, if it's equals to 0. So what is actually happening here? We want to know what remainder. So when you divide 2 remainder, 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 0. Sorry, 2 is going to give us 1, right? And there won't be any remainder. Let's say 3 divided by 2 is going to give us 1 point something. So that remainder, this is the condition we give it. If x remainder, or when x divided by 2, if the remainder is equals to 0, we want to display it, else it's going to be filtered out. Let's give it, remember, it has to be an iterable. So let's apply the filter here. Filter function. So let's wrap this inside it. This is basically what happened. This is a built-in function in Python that filters item in an iterable based on a particular condition. This is the iterable that we give it, the variable. I can carry this and put it there, but I think leaving it like this is the best choice. So, and this must be a particular condition. So what is going to happen here? If x, remember that each of our x, these values here are our x. Each of the values here is our x. So as initially 1 divided by 2 is, would there be a remainder? I think it's going to be 0 point something. Since there's a remainder, this is not going to be printed. Let's print it out and see what is happening here. Okay, and get an output, you need to be converted to a list. See what is happening here. So it's 2, 4, 6. Like I said earlier in this video, filters out the accepted condition, the condition that I want to get. So in this situation, I want to get once each number that is inside here is once you divide it, and there's not going to be any remainder. The remainder is going to be 0, like what we did here. Example here is 2, and this is, let's assume this is divided. 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1. So in this scenario, we are going to have 1 without any other any other remainder. So since the remainder, once the remainder is 0, we are going to display it on the screen, the values that got this, that met this condition using these iterables. So this is just basically how filters work. It just filters out and give us the particular condition we assigned it, and while neglecting the other one. So I've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. There are still advanced ways to use this filter, but we're going to stop here as of now. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.